Hi friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. Today we are going to discuss about the study plan. Whatever the study plan for December 2020. First of all, I will tell congratulations to foundation students because many students are waiting for not to skip the attempts and all, because some students are very serious about to give that exam and will get cleared and next attempt will go. So finally they are going to attend the exams, and that is online. Let's see how they will conduct the online examination. It is a first time, so till I will tell it is a good congratulation. And inter and final, we don't know December what is the notification will come, it will go online offline, that is also till confusion is there. So I think we should not discuss that, because let's see. And first of all, I will tell you, try to adopt the digitalization, because today I have attended one conference call. There is some different level of conference call. There are many aged people coming in the Zoom call, and they are speaking. They are making themselves in digitalization. So why we are not? We are youngsters. We can and try to adopt it. Instead of telling and pointing some other things, you can change yourself. Okay, I can agree some poor people or some village people, net problem, this problem, that problem. But if December, if future they are taking online examination, what you will do? Online classes will go, online examination will go. So what you will do? So this is the solution. You can try to adopt it. Instead of pointing and wasting time or pointing someone, you just adopt the things whatever is coming. So better try to adopt it. Now no need to discussion about that, because we will see the after updates. Now at present, how we have to study now. The first thing is, whatever the days left today, 19th August. So tomorrow onwards, if we are starting, August 12 days are there, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 9 days. So totally we have 112 days. 112 days. In that, if you are giving both the groups November and December, it should not count, because it is left for the revision. So we are not going to count for November and December. Assuming that all are already completed single group study. If we are studied both group, not a problem. Assuming that whoever giving single group, because now you can't give both the groups, time is not there. August already going to finish. September, October, November, these 3 months only. December it will be only revision. So whoever going for fresher, please choose single group only, because two groups it is not at all possible. And already who has studied one group and you have to study one more group, so then you can go with both the groups. And November, December for revision. So August 12 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, 73 days. Within 73 days you have to complete the 4 subject. Inter or final, whatever the timing, you have to set yourself and you have to complete. How many days it will come, because this deep kind of timetable I cannot give, because I don't know how much subjects you have weak, how much subject you have strong. So what kind of time you are keeping in that is up to individual people, individual students. So you have to sit and make, okay, account is vast, you can give more time, law is less, you can give less time. So like that, SFM, how is SFM, how is tax, how is cost, like that you can make it different way, segregate and give time on the basis of requirement. Don't give the equal time, because each and every subjects are not equal, each and everyone don't have the same capacities. So you can do this. So August, September, October, 73 days you have to complete one group totally. November, December, both the groups revision. So 112 days it will finish. You have to study minimum 10 hours. It's a must. One theory subject, one practical subject. Take 2 subjects per. If you are taking single subject, you will feel bored about that. So instead of making bored, you just shuffle it. Whatever the ultimate result should be, you should complete your studies. And try to make revision morning 2 hours. You try to take revision, so it won't be burden in the last coming days, November or December. So try to make it how much you can possibly make it. Detailed study, one, second revision and final revision. Like that you have to make the revisions. Revision is the must. Revision is very important point. Because if you didn't revise, you cannot able to answer the question. So revision is must. So first of all, I will tell you, instead of hard work, you can go with the smart, because time is very less. So smart work, how you have to do smart work, I will tell you. First of all, whatever happened last so many months and whatever going on, whatever the pandemic, coronavirus, this, now I think stop pointing the whatever circumstances is going on, because you know it is some kind of a scam also. Worldwide it is scam is going on. It is how much reality, how much what, we don't know. So stop pointing, be safe, be in house and study properly. So now instead of giving excuses, keep your concentration on study. Don't watch news and all. Just leave everything and sit concentration. Keep concentration and give your best, because time won't come back. Already we are in August end. So we are seeing how the time is going on and we are wasting the times, only gossips, this, that. Instead of that, better sit and invest your time on yourself. It is a better investment. So stop unnecessary things and better concentrate on your studies, which will give you future benefit. So this is the first thing. Now smart study, how to do smart study. For smart study you need scanner. You can go through the Suchita Prakashan and you can order, or you can go, I think Bangalore you will get lot of bookstores are there, so you can get. I don't know in the small cities how it will be, so you can order online, you will get. So that is the best way. Smart study, if whenever you will get the scanner, you can check how the question the examiner are drafting and how they are asking the questions and what we can answer that, and suggested answer whatever institute has used to release after examination. You can check that also, because what examiner expecting from us, that is the main matter. So you have to check suggested answer also. Scanner suggested answer will play very important role, because that is the whatever the old question papers and repeated things. So you have to check that. With scanner you have to study what is the priority things you should study, and whatever is the repeated things, whatever required, that only you study. Don't study each and everything the same manner. Whatever the questions are there, practical, same practicals are there, don't study. If adjustments are different, you note down and make it, because don't forget the adjustments, which will create the problem in the examination. So adjustments are very important. So make the smart study, take the scanner, suggested answer, how examiner expecting, and how we have to drop the question paper, how we have to write the answers. These you have to study and make the analyze. So some paper I will make it analyze and I will give you how they will ask the question papers and what are the answers we have to write. This is the important. So you have to keep, whenever you are taking your book, scanner and suggested answer, you have to keep, you have to check the major topics, which is the highest weightage. So you can choose that and you have to finish that first. Then you can go to the low level of things and you will get lot of options there. So you can sometimes skip, you can study, but skipping is not a good option, as I know, because it will create lot of problem. If some tough questions every time, 1 or 2 question papers will be very tough, and specifically in costing group 2 they will create such kind of a thing. So skipping is not better idea. But now smart study, you don't have time and you wasted lot of time. So now you have to go, means you have to do this. Check the scanner, check the highest weightage kind of topics and study this. Pick that first and study that. Then you can go the whatever the low level of topics, you can choose that. So this is the main point. Smart study with scanner and suggested answer. MCQs will play a very important role in the examination, because they are giving 25 to 28 marks. So you have to concentrate daily basis, 1 or 2 hours. You give the each subject MCQs, revise it, make it by heart, whatever you have to do. Make it in the book only. You will get after that chapter completion, you will get the MCQs. Otherwise many lecturers are there, they are provided, or you can go through the scanners and wherever you will get MCQs, complete it. In workbook also, in MCPs, in MTP, RTP, wherever you will get, just finish it, don't leave. So whatever they play important role, just make it finish. First scanner module, with module scanner, suggested answer and MCQs, wherever you will get. Complete first whatever in the module, then go through the outside. This is the must. And RTP, MTP, you can go through the last at the revision time, so it will make you good practice. So you can go that time, because MTPs will release at the month end of the examination only. so you can go that time only, revise it at least 10 to 12 hours. You have to sit now. Don't tell excuses, this can't, that we've seen already 6 months whatever going these excuses. You are not telling excuses to anybody or anything. You are just wasting your time to telling excuses to others. You are not doing any extraordinary works there, so stop excusing and do your study. So whatever the point left, okay, so this is it. Try to adopt the digitalization, and whatever the day left, please finish your study properly. If you have any doubt, queries, please drop your message in the comment box, so I'll try to answer it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.